2000 Silverado 5.3. Went to start it the other day and battery's dead. We'll take that home and test it. But I have this clicking and surging. I believe it's something on the transmission or the transfer case. I've pulled fuses, pulled relays, and can't seem to narrow it down.